This is a journey into sound. No drop top, London girl them hot.
Yo YouTube, wagwan. ShaneG there, is it? And we're back again with the next one, is it? Reaction time. Yeah man. More shout out and say yo, enough love and respect to everybody that support the thing, is it? Yeah man. Respect for that. So yo, we're gonna react to that one here by Buju Banton, the Gargamel. It's called Trust. Yeah man. So you kick off with a new flow, new style, modern day style. It's like a cartoon cover art thing. Buju, never see Buju with one of them yet, so you see. So let's jump tonight and see what it go on with.
New style, new flow, Me I tell them.
Not just phone need I know. Can't trust nothing these days, dog. Nothing. Phone. Your bridge. You want like more of your own bridge in them. Girl. Nothing.
Me no trust phone, me no own, me no like it. Picture I go round, say Simone, I'm a wifie. Be a fuzzy picture we suggest me a knifey. All over Instagram, I fuck with me psyche. Me no trust man, we switch down for your Nike. 6 months him general, I know him say I'm Mikey. Can't trust no man, we claim them a strikey. And them in a video wanna show people. Them we sell your own, them we sell your own. The so-called friends, them me I tell you about you. Them we sell your own, them we sell your own. And no fund them a return code. So for me to be careful who you send by snow to. Watch who you want and come what you talking about to. Say nobody not doing nobody else road. Them in a group chat so your thing a leak out to. Them see you when things happen them a blow to. Stab you in your back and then them come and take out to. Say you never them cause I know that them a promote. Not that ground phone, no for them have remote. I reckon you, cause I done was in the same boat. I get to like real control. Your face and your friend now go run them out. Wait till them end up in a federal court. Me no trust phone, me no own, me no lie.
True thing that in the cause when you end up in a federal court is a big thing, you know. You see, you look for now 25 years plus. Enough of them boy are go snitch. So Buju don't tell you, I trust none of them. None of them, no boy, nobody.
Picture I go round, say Simone, I'm a wifey. Be a fuzzy picture we suggest me a knifey. All over Instagram, I fuck with me psyche. Me no trust man, we switch down for your Nike. 6 months him general, I know him say I'm Mikey. Can't trust no man, we claim them a strikey. And them in a video wanna show people. Them we sell your own, them we sell your own. The so-called friends, them me I tell you about you. Them we sell your own, them we sell your own. I know from them a return code. So for me, can't trust nobody, they will let down your secret. Don't lend them your things, and we kill you if you keep it. Don't trust somebody when you do things, don't speak it. And them they on social media and leak it. So if you meet a girl and you plan to freak it, if you got her house, make sure you sweep it. I'll find the camera, them anyway she keep it. If she go back you, make sure you peep. Me no trust phone, me no own, me no lie.
Man say yo, you better John know Buju. Like yo, the man come from jail, the man not take no threat, nothing. Nothing the man not trust, no girl. The man just say, if you got a new girl house, make sure you check out everything. Look for camera everywhere. If you got a bathroom, make sure you peep around there and see what she do. If you go up on the phone and make a call, nothing. Buju not take no check her road, you know.
Picture I go round, say Simone, I'm a wifey. Be a fuzzy picture we suggest me a knifey. All over Instagram, I fuck with me psyche. Me no trust man, we switch down for your Nike. 6 months him general, I know him say I'm Mikey. Can't trust no man, we claim them a strikey. And them in a video wanna show people. Them we sell your own, them we sell your own. The so-called friends, them me I tell you about you. Them we sell your own, them we sell your own. I don't find them a return code.
You know, yeah man, the one that was by Buju Banton, you see me, the Gargamel himself. It's a new style, new flow. You see it. more calmer. One day Buju go come in like the new generation of dance. And one day I go adapt to that or I go be the same Buju. Let me know what you think about that. But yeah man, that song it bad. The man I telling us say yo, the man that trust nothing. You see? I look like I'm one friend them sell him out. I think got jail. You see? 10 years the dog say him do. John a whole heap of year that still. 10 years ago I can't remember how many years. But yeah man. Trust by Buju Banton it bad. Nice because I'm gonna make a no trust nothing, no take no check. Yeah man, see. Once again, I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you can check out that by Buju Banton. So yeah, thanks for support. The thing is, if you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. You see it. But yeah man, respect, we are share, comment and subscribe on the thing is enough love, no respect for that. ShaneG TV, we out.